In this tutorial, you will learn how to set goals for professional growth on Catalyst. Having a few intentional goals is great for growth. Catalyst will help you identify specific and actionable goals and access resources for professional learning. To help you stay focused and not work on everything at once, Catalyst will limit you to no more than 4 goals at a time. Goals can be those behaviors you would like to develop or even strengthen to ensure continuous improvement. Having a goal that you choose puts you in the driver's seat of your professional growth. Once you're logged into Catalyst, navigate to My Goals by scrolling down to the lower half of the dashboard. Click the Set Goals button on the right side to view the TEL domains and their various criteria and subcriteria. Goals on Catalyst are the TEL subcriteria you want to work on right now. Catalyst limits the number of goals to 4 so you don't spread yourself too thin, allowing you to focus your attention and energy on a few concrete action items. Once you have identified a subcriteria you want to make a goal, click the star-shaped button. Before moving on, take a moment to plan your goal by doing the following. Identify how you will measure successful achievement of this goal. How will you know you have reached your goal? Identify any resources you think you might need to help you meet your goal. Identify the types of evidence you will upload to demonstrate progress towards and achievement of this goal. Set a target date for reaching your goal. You can also set goals when you complete any component of the self-assessment. This information can be edited at any time by clicking on one of the goals. Editing a goal allows you to update progress towards the goal, review uploaded evidence, and even remove the goal from My Goals. Now that you have selected one or more goals, you will be able to see it displayed on the My Goals page. There, you will be able to document progress and upload evidence. Other teachers in your Catalyst professional learning groups will be able to see your new goals and progress, allowing for mutual accountability and peer learning. You can always view past goals by clicking on Goal History, also on your My Goals page. You can also remove a subcriteria from your goals by clicking Remove from My Goals.